Welcome to the topic rational numbers. In this video we will learn about the rational numbers. We will learn what are rational numbers and how we can identify a given number, it is rational or irrational. If we define rational number, the numbers of the form a over b, where both a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0, are called rational numbers. In simple words, we can say that if we divide two integers, we get a rational numbers. For example, here a is an integer, b is an integer. So when we divide two integers, we get a rational number. But the integer in the denominator cannot be 0. For example, 2 over 3 is a rational number, and set of rational number is represented by Q. Now we can see here 2 is an integer, 3 is also an integer. So we divide two integers, so we will get a rational number. 1 over 5, as both 1 and 5 are integers, so if we divide two integers, we will get a rational number. Okay, what about square root of 3 over 2? It's not a rational number, because square root of 3, it does not belong to integers, so we will say that it's not a rational number. So it means square root of 3 over 2 belongs to set of irrational numbers. Irrational mean those which are not rational, that are called irrational numbers.